Hi guys, so today we are back with a new video, and before I start with the video I just want to say thank you because I just realized that we have over 1000 viewers with just 5 videos, so I'm really happy that I've gotten this kind of response. I also want to thank the people who have subscribed already to our channel, and the ones who haven't subscribed, please do so. It would mean a lot to me. It would give me a lot of motivation to make more videos for you guys and come up with some amazing content. Today's project that we're gonna start off with is I have some souvenir coins from all the countries that we had traveled to before the pandemic. So now we have a bunch of coins and I wanted to use them in some way. I have traveled to way more countries in my own age, and I had a whole bucket full of coins which I wanted to use, and I'd been thinking for a very long time to make some kind of project or memory out of this. So I finally did make one. So here you can see is what I did. So let me show you how I did this. So let's get started.
So here is my bucket full of coins. I have a lot more coins than these, but for this project I'm only going to use a few of them. So I'm going to divide these coins into the different countries that I have. There are around 18 different countries.
So out of all of the coins that I have, I found some rare ones as well. So the first one is from UAE, which is a 10 fils coin. It was used from the year 1973 to 1989. Now it's very rarely seen or even used. 5 fils coins. These are also very rarely used and not in circulation anymore. Ended around 1989, and this ended around 1997. The third coin is from India. Now this is pretty rare, a 1/4 Anna coin from 1894. This is an extremely rare coin from British India. These coins, based on their condition, can be worth anywhere between 100 to 2000 rupees. So if you have one of these, hold on to them. This is the $2 Washington coin from 1967. This is also pretty rare. So from what I've read online, and with the year 1965 to 1967, the coins that were made during these years are still worth a huge amount of money and are pretty rare. So if you have these with a few characteristics that these coins have, it will determine how much a coin is worth, so you can look it up. It's a Jefferson coin from 1948. So this is also pretty rare. And then I have 2 dimes from the US as well, and these are from 1966 and 1967.
So now that we're done with our little history lesson, let's get to the project. Here I've taken an A3 size sheet of paper and I've drawn a template of a tree on it. It's a rough template so that I know where to place my coins. Each branch here signifies one country, so I'm going to put the coins in a cluster according to that, and then I'm going to stick them on with super glue or any strong glue that can hold on to metal, because you don't want your coins falling off later when you frame them. After that, I'm going to just redraw the tree and redefine the branches, outline this with a black marker, and draw on some leaves and flowers to make it look a little more pretty. On another sheet of paper, I have drawn the world map, which is in the shape of a pot, and the tree is coming out of this pot. So it signifies that we are one world, but with so many different nationalities and countries and currencies, and how amazing that is. So here I am done with my project. I think it looks pretty. Please let me know what you guys think about this and how you guys would do this project, or any other ideas you might have. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please keep supporting me so that I can stay motivated to do more projects or come up with many new things for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.